I'm not doing the Marika challenge. Nope. Though I think I'll be pretty good at it if I put my mind to it and just do the challenge as good as I would do, as anyone else would do, but I don't know if I'll be good at it. Okay, let's try it. I'll find my pose. My pose for the mannequin challenge. I can't do it, I'm moving a bit. I can't do it. That fucking pose. That pose. Fucking hell, it's like it's like I'm surprised at what I saw, but at the same time I'm confused. For those who are watching this video, you could be confused as well, thinking, what? What? Anyway, so yeah. Anyways, let's react to a YouTube video, shall we? This lion cub trying to roar is the cutest thing you'll see. Will it be the cutest thing I will see? Anyways, so yep. When I said the lion cub, I almost said the lion club. Yeah, I got my words mixed up. Anyways, let's start it. Uh-huh. That is cute. That is cute. That is really cute. I wouldn't say it's the cutest, but it's cute. I wouldn't say it's the cutest though. I wouldn't say, you know, it's most extremely cute, but I would say it's cute. It's quite adorable. And you know, lions are adorable when they're just babies. But then when lions end up growing up to be adults, whoa, whoa, whoa. You better run. uh, yeah. That was very cute. I gotta be honest, it was. But I've seen more things cuter than that. No offense to the person who took the video. No offense to the person, but no offense to the lion cup as well. No offense to the cup. No offense to it. If it watches YouTube videos and ends up watching this video. I've got a cup, but it's not that cute. It's the cup in the video is more cuter than my cup I've got in my hand. It's a lot bigger as well. You could just fit this in your pocket, and it's a Kinder Surprise cup. It's a Kinder Surprise toy. I'm starting to collect them. So I am. I'm collecting Kinder Surprise eggs. The collective items. Yeah. Not even clowns would be seen dead with this on their noses. Bad enough to probably feel embarrassed they got red noses. like my presses. Yeah. Why did I just done a Lord of the Rings impersonation? Why did I just... And I didn't even watch Lord of the Rings. But if I did, it would be my precious... Okay, I'll stop here. I'll stop here. Before I embarrass myself even more, I'll stop. Anyways... Anyways, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Did I say that right? I've got problems with my speech right now, but I'm trying to get my speech all sorted out so I can say more words than I could never said in my life. But yeah. Anyways, hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a big like, and don't forget to hit that subscribe. And yeah. And give me suggestions down in the comments below on whether, you know, like what video to react or what video to do, maybe a gaming video or an unboxing video, but I would have to, you know, order something out of Amazon or eBay, or like get something delivered to me, and I've not got a PO box yet. So you know, fan mail and stuff, you know, it's fan mail and stuff, you know, it's just, you know, basically I'm not giving out my address. Like, I'm just going to wait until I get a PO box, then I'll accept fan mail. But you can, you know, send me fan mail, like email, at my Gmail email address, and it's thechipgraham@email.com. No wait, it's thechipgraham@gmail.com. Got my head's not today. My head's not here today. It is here, but basically. So don't send anything at thechipgraham@email.com. Send you know, a message at thechipgraham@gmail.com. Okay. But anyways, see y'all in the next video.